Hey guys, I didn't see this in. If you own a Magic Keys, you want to make sure, and this is for my day traders out there that just bought one of these. I hear they're amazing. They're supposed to help you without burning your trading account. So I'm gonna show you what happened to me. So I'm using MT4 and MT5. One's for live, one's for demo. But I could not find for the life of me where the location was at for my expert advisors, and I went through their tutorials and it didn't install it for me when I installed the application. I even tried reinstalling it and it still didn't show up. So what you got to do is find out where the location is for your install. For me, it's under C programs, files, Magic Keys, and then XAAL. That's where you want to go to. And once you go in there, you're going to find your expert advisors in these. So I'm guessing that's MT4 and that's MT5. So there's the extensions for Magic Keys that you want to see, that you see in tutorials, and the same for Magic Keys 5. So I don't know if you double click, if it takes, oh yeah, it does. Sweet. So it dropped it right there. That is exactly what I was looking for. So hopefully this helps anybody out that bought a Magic Keys and it didn't install it into your MetaTrader. And I believe the same will go for your Mac version of what they refer to, I'm guessing, of this guy right here called C panel or C something. Where did I see it? Yeah, there it goes. C Trader. So I'm guessing that's to be the same condition. I don't know how it behaves on the Mac, but on Windows, it did not install for me. It did not install for me. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Thanks.